I said earlier, we have to learn a few topics related to heat and temperature. Let me tell you what is meant by heat. Heat is a form of energy. It will flow from high temperature zone to low temperature zone. High temperature zone means a temperature which is very hot. A low temperature zone is relatively it is at low temperature. So everyone will be thinking of that heat and temperature are one and the same, but it is totally different. Heat is the cause and temperature is the result of that heat. Heat, as I said, it is a form of energy, and the units for measuring heat are calories and joules. So heat is measured in two units. In Celsius unit we measure it with calories, and in MKS system or SI system we use joules as a unit to measure heat. And coming to the temperature, degree of hotness or coldness of an object. So if it is cold, how much it is cold? If it is hot, how much it is hot? It is measured by measuring its temperature. In order to use this, we should know about the units of temperature. The units are Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. See students, as I said, heat and temperature are different. Its units are also different entirely. It is measured in calories, heat, joules, heat. But Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin degrees are used for measuring the temperature. So, in order to measure the temperature, we want a device called as thermometer. So, thermometer is a device which is used to measure the temperature. So, again the classification is there for thermometer. Thermometers are again classified into two types. One is clinical thermometer, other one is laboratory thermometer. So, clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the body, and whereas laboratory thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the room. Okay, and there are some other thermometers which are used to measure the temperature of the weather. Maximum and minimum thermometer, which was invented by SIX, and we are not related to that topic, so I am not talking about that. So thermometers classification is of two types: clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. So regarding these two topics we are going to explain in the further sessions. Up to now you just remember that there are two types, and finally I want to define the differences between heat and temperature. It is, as I said, it is a form of energy and it is a measure of hot or cold. So it is a form of energy and it is a measure of hot or cold. How much hot or how much cold. And coming to the second point, it is a cause of the temperature. Temperature, in order to increase the temperature, it is mandatory, and it is the effect of heat. Temperature is the effect of heat. Because of it, the temperature gets increases. Coming to the third point, it does not determine the direction of the flow of heat. In whatever direction it wants, it can move. From higher zone to lower zone, wherever it finds, it may go. But temperature will determine the direction of the heat flow. If it is high temperature, in which direction it has to flow, it will be decided by the temperature. And coming to the fourth point, it is measured in joules or calories. It is measured in Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. So students, among these important points are heat, temperature and their differences, their measurements. And coming here, I want to explain this also. While using these scales, we should remember that in order to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius, we have to remember this formula, that is C by 100 equals to F minus 32 by 180. Why sir? C by 100 means the maximum temperature that can be measured by using the Celsius scale is 100 degrees Celsius, and why we have written 32 here means the starting point of the Fahrenheit scale is 32 degrees and it has divided into 180 divisions. So that is the point, and I will explain about this in detail in the next video. Thank you.